Need to use green screen in VITA app? Then it's pretty simple and a quick process. So here's a step-by-step guidance on how you can easily use green screen feature on VITA app. Head over to your application VITA. Select any of the project that you'd like to edit. Once the video has been imported, now you have to make sure that the green screen is already saved into your gallery. In order to add it, tap on this feature called PIP right beside Style. From the gallery, select the green screen that you have saved. Once it has been uploaded here, now what you want to do is tap on Chroma key at the bottom. And then you have to place this icon on the green color. Once the green screen has been cleared, now place the sticker anywhere on the screen. Once you have adjusted, you will be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.